Best adjustable wrenches reviewed. I know what it's like to waste money on tools that just don't deliver. That's why I bought and tested these adjustable wrenches so you don't have to. From home repairs to DIY projects, I've put them through the ringer, and I'm here to share my honest experience with you. Product number 1, Work Pro 2-piece adjustable wrench set. When I first got my hands on the Work Pro 2-piece adjustable wrench set, I was impressed by how versatile it looked. This set comes with both a 6-inch and a 10-inch wrench, making it an ideal choice for a plethora of home tasks. I remember needing to fix a leaky faucet, and these wrenches were the perfect solution. Made from chrome vanadium steel, they feel solid in your hand. The black oxide finish not only looks great, but also resists corrosion, which is a big plus in any workshop or garage. Using the wrenches was a breeze. The dual scale markings for SAE and metric measurements were laser etched and easy to read. I didn't have to fumble around trying to figure out sizes. Product number 2, Amazon Basics Locking Adjustable Wrench. Next up is the Amazon Basics Locking Adjustable Wrench. At first glance, I was curious about how a budget option would perform compared to more established brands. This 10-inch wrench felt sturdy right out of the package, weighing about 1.25 pounds. I wanted to see if it could hold up during some serious work, so I pulled it out for a car maintenance project. The drop-forged, heat-treated carbon steel construction gave me confidence, and the corrosion-resistant finish promised longevity. The quick-release locking mechanism was a game-changer. I was able to clamp down on nuts with a diameter of up to 1.25 inches seamlessly, and the precision machine's jaw ensured a snug fit every time. The inch metric measurement scale was also clear and easy to read, which made adjustments quick and hassle-free. Product number 3, Work Pro 6-inch adjustable wrench. Now, let's dive into the Work Pro 6-inch adjustable wrench. I bought this little guy for some home repairs involving medium-sized bolts, and I must say it did not disappoint. I was pleasantly surprised at how well it handled everyday tasks like assembling furniture and fixing plumbing issues. Its compact size made it easy to maneuver in tight spaces, and the ergonomic design felt great in my hand. Crafted from heat-treated chrome vanadium steel, this wrench is built to last. The corrosion-resistant black oxide finish is a nice touch, ensuring it remains in good condition even after multiple uses. The dual measurement scales, both metric and SAE, are laser-etched, making size adjustments a cinch. The maximum jaw opening of 15/16 inches, or 24 millimeters, was perfect for the M6 to M16 bolts I was working with. Product number 4, Craftsman Pliers 8 and 10-inch groove joint set. Next, let's talk about the Craftsman Pliers groove joint set. I stumbled upon this set while looking for pliers that could offer versatility for various tasks. I was pleasantly surprised to find that they included both 8-inch and 10-inch options, which are perfect for gripping and holding. The multi-zone bimaterial grips provide excellent comfort and control, making it easy to work on projects without hand fatigue. I used them for everything from carpentry to plumbing, and they performed exceptionally well in each scenario. The drop-forged steel construction gives them impressive strength and durability, ensuring they can handle tough jobs. Product number 5, Work Pro 4-inch mini adjustable wrench. Finally, we have the Work Pro 4-inch mini adjustable wrench. This little tool is a gem for anyone who often finds themselves in tight spaces. I initially bought it for small jobs around the house and was amazed at how useful it turned out to be. The compact design allows you to access areas that larger wrenches simply can't reach, making it perfect for appliance repairs and model assembly. Made from drop-forged, heat-treated chrome vanadium steel, it's durable enough for everyday tasks. The corrosion-resistant black oxide finish adds to its longevity, ensuring it stays in good condition over time. The maximum jaw opening of 19 millimeters, or 3/4 of an inch, is ideal for small nuts and bolts, M6 to M10. I found this size perfect for light-duty tasks. In conclusion, each of these adjustable wrenches has its strengths and ideal use cases. Depending on your needs, whether for home repairs, auto maintenance, or DIY projects, there's a wrench here for you. I highly recommend checking out these options before making your next purchase. Happy wrenching!